Hello everyone and welcome back to Science with Mr. Vino. Today we are going to be talking about observing temperatures. Let's get started. Our observations help us to answer questions and learn new things. We can observe properties of objects in the world around us. Properties are things like color, weight, size, shape, texture, and temperature. Temperature is how hot or cold something is. We can measure the exact temperature of something using a thermometer. A thermometer measures the temperature in degrees. Each degree is a number, and the higher the number, the warmer the temperature is. Some thermometers have a red liquid inside that you can see. The red liquid goes up or down depending on the temperature. If the red liquid goes up, it is getting warmer. If it goes down, it is getting colder. Some thermometers are digital. That means that it measures the temperature and shows a number on the screen. A doctor might use a digital thermometer to tell the temperature of your body. Normally, your body temperature is around 98 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 37 degrees Celsius. If your temperature is higher than 98 degrees, then you might be sick. We can also observe temperature using our senses of touch. Our skin can tell if an object is hot or cold, warm or cool. You can place your hand on something to observe its temperature, but be careful, you never want to touch something if you think it's hot. You can burn yourself. Temperature is how hot or cold something is. It is a property that we can observe, measure, and describe